Hey friends, if you're also doing YouTube automation or using ElevenLabs to generate voice and when you enter your email to sign up, you face an error, then this video is for you. As you can see here, when I try to sign up by entering my email, an error comes up. Now let me show you what the actual problem is and how to fix it. Look, I'm clicking on the sign up button and you can see that the account is not logging in properly. Now I will show you step by step how to fix this issue. When you click on the sign up button, sometimes this error shows up. Application error, a client-side exception has occurred. So to fix this, what you need to do is, if you have signed up using a temporary email, just go to your email inbox, scroll down a little, you will find a verification link there. Simply click on that link. After that, scroll down again and click on the verify button. Once you do this, your account will be successfully signed up and there will be no problem. Now come back to the ElevenLabs website and click on the sign in button. You can see the ElevenLabs login page has opened. Enter your details and sign into your account. As soon as you sign in, your account will be logged in successfully and now you can easily generate your voice. Many people were facing this same problem, so I thought to make this quick video to share the solution with you all so you do not face this issue again and again. So in this simple way, you can easily create your ElevenLabs account and start generating your voice. I hope you found this video helpful. Please like the video, subscribe to the channel and stay connected for more such useful videos. Thank you.